off the highway. What is this place that we have with so much traffic and so many cars? And why are they all here? Oh, we're back!
We're hungry!
And this is the mystery we're going to solve for you. Please solve the mystery.
Back in 1972, which is a great year, an awesome place opened and an awesome person was born. The awesome person was me, and the place was this, Murugan, which is called Murugan, old and original, great since 1972.
That is the Puranam. So please remember, don't forget it, because when you come down over here, you must come to Vijayawada and go onto the highway near the which toll gate?
The Kaza Toll.
Near the Kaza toll, and look for the Murugan hotel, old and original since 1972, and eat. Don't say we didn't warn you again. We want the best food in this region. You have to come over here, and if you don't, it's your loss. What do we care? The world is not a fair place. Everything is not equal, and therefore somebody has to come first and somebody has to come last. And this place has come first in the last 4 days of trip that we've been on. So if you come to this region,
Stop press. Really?
stop press. Really
Wow,
stop press.
That's a big call. That's
big
a big call.
Because we've eaten everything over here. We've tasted everything. Not eaten, we're dying to eat now. But this is the finest food I've had in the last 4 days, bar none. So if you are in Vijayawada and you don't come to the Murugan Hotel, old and original on the highway,
Great since 1972, like me.
and there's a reason why it's great, because it's absolutely phenomenal. It's very, very simple. You'll get a thali like this with all these vegetables, and Mayur will tell you more about it while I dig into the fish. Please, sir, talk to them. Please, don't make me talk.
Step number 1, any time between 11:30 and 4, and I'll confirm the time to you. When you fetch up here, you will find this place, and you come and you can choose between veg and non-veg, and you put all this down. The location you already know, and then you tuck into this. Now, if you're vegetarian, you basically get 4 different types of chutney, and come take a look at the different types of chutney. You get the papu or the dal. You get
It's not a chutney. This is your main course. That's not chutneys.
but they call them chutney.
Hey, you got 4 main courses.
Okay, 4 main courses. What's in a name? You get aloo, you get dosa bodi, you get beetroot, and then you get dal or paripu. And then you also get rasam and sambar. And my favorite here, this beautiful dahi chutney. Super tart, a whole bunch of spices in it. I mean, you could just put this in a glass and keep drinking it all the time.
So what do you call the vegetarian dal?
Papu.
The papu is the best thing I've had in the last 4 days. It's so good. It's sour, it's tangy, it's lively, it's so easy to eat, highly spiced. And these are the 4 powders that you get. Fabulous again. That's a mango and lemon pickle. This is a tart powder, almost like a podi, burnt chili. This one is sour again. I don't know what it has, but it's very, very sour, and of course salt, because it's so hot in Andhra and you sweat so much, even in the winters. You need a lot of salt in your diet. But here's the deal. You get the omelette. The humble omelette is being elevated to a dish over here. It's just a plain, simple omelette.
Another reason why this place, Murugan, is so good is that they pay attention to everything. Look at that dahi that you're served. Firm, fresh, chilled, lots of body. Nice to balance off all the heat and the spices and the ghee on your palate and in your stomach.
People will be coming and putting down food. You don't really need to know anything. Just come here and ask for the fried chicken, mutton curry, prawn curry, fried fish, and omelette. Those are the 5 non-veg things you get. The finest among them is the chicken. Fiery, hot, comes off the bone like you wouldn't believe. The flavor is gone right through and through. Quintessential flavor of Telangana and Andhra. Just fire and hot and exciting and sets your palate alive. And that is why there are so many people over here. There's cars outside. It's packed. There are people in here. It's getting packed very quickly, and it's not even lunchtime yet. So this place is a must come to. What's your favorites over here?
The dahi chutney and the papu, even though all the vegetables are nice. And then, look at this. They give you a small glass that's just full of liquid ghee. And no matter what you eat, if you pour a little bit of ghee on it, it is just going to make it beautiful. Now in Andhra Pradesh, especially here at the Murugan, eating is serious business. Nobody's talking to each other. There's a waiting area outside. As soon as people's turns come, they sit, the leaves get delivered, all the food comes, people get down to eating. As soon as they finish eating, they leave. And there are some serious eaters here. I saw at least 5 people outside waiting that were larger than Rocky and me combined.
That's a really nutty, delicious ghee. You can literally drink it because I just drank it. But here's the prawn curry. It's not really a curry. It's more like a mamsam. It's more like a thick masala, but it's completely delicious. Oh, thank you, sir. Brinjal.
Brinjal!
And the goodies keep coming. Thank you. Thank you. The prawn masala is fiery again. It's hot, very typical of the flavors over here. Now it's very lively. You can actually taste the prawn in addition to all the masalas, which is unusual because generally it's like strong hand, throw in everything, kill the taste of the meat, but enhance the spice. This is not like that. This is the way I suppose Andhra and Telangana food was meant to be. Great flavors. You can taste the ingredients, all of them. You can taste the meat. Just a fabulous way to go.
I just want to say one thing to you. The 1972 vintage, whether it was food, like places like Murugan, or wine from anywhere in the world, or human beings, was a fantastic year for the planet.
Truly. And this chutney says so. A tomato chutney over here. And this is the richness of Indian food. I mean, take a look at this plate. Come closer. I made a bit of a mess. But take a look at this plate. There's very little vegetables, but the variety is so much. And the flavors are so different from each other. You can always tell how good the food is. Here's my secret. By judging what kind of frenzy I'm in. And right now, I'm absolutely mad feeding frenzy. I don't know what to put in my mouth right now. I'm going to hyperdrive. I'm going to overdrive. I'm going to hyper vocal, local, over chutney ridden, achar, drive. Please stop me talking, start me eating. Oh.